Honey is making twisty breads. Check it out. Watch what she's going to do here. She's crazy. She can do it. All right, so she smushes it and then she rolls it. So check out the process here. You've got to be a knot tire to be able to do this. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Oh yeah. We do everything here. We bake, we sew, we practice yoga, we play ping pong. You name it, we doed it. Wow. She's amazing. Honey, you are the most creative person I've ever met. Wow, look at that. Now all we gotta do is bake them, huh?
Yeah, I was gonna wait, but I'm gonna do it now because I have no idea. This one is the one I messed up with the flour and I had to add more water and stuff, so it's a little stiffer.
I think it's gonna be delicious. I only have 3 words to say. Delicious.
I wonder if that's not enough room to...
That's more than enough room. This is non-stick parchment paper. So when you're baking, you can use this instead of that horrible... What are you doing?
That's how you put it in. Make it flat. Otherwise, it doesn't stay flat.
Oh, I'm learning stuff here. And I think she's going to squirt it with this stuff. What is that?
Avocado oil.
Avocado oil. All right, she smushed it all up. She's going to unsmush it. Look at that. Now I'm noticing how that one was smushed. So you're just going to put the big one in there or the little one?
I'm going to separate this one, the one that I don't know.
There. Oh, you're going to put it like an angle.
Yeah.
And then these you have room for them.
And these I'll just use.
All right, now how long do you bake them?
40 minutes, I think.
All right, you have to put this egg wash on them?
Yeah. And I'm going to do some butter too.
Butter? Butter? All right, we're going to show you guys how to use non-stick parchment paper to cook your bread. Oh, we're going to get some butter here too. You going to melt it?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. One of these brushes, these. Okay, we use that one. Butter's ready. Almost. All right, you put the butter on first? Mm-hmm. And then you put the egg wash on? Mm-hmm. And then sesame seeds? So this is the parchment paper. It doesn't burn for some reason. I don't know why. Somehow it does that. Here we go. All right, now we're gonna use our little brush to put first the butter. 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 Look at that. She's a whiz.
Burning my fingers.
Why is your fingers burning? Oh, because it's hot. That's probably why. Gorgeous, huh? Looks fantastic.
I'm probably gonna need more.
Now, no, I think you got it. You only got one big long one left. There we go.
This one I'm gonna need more because I have to tell you.
You almost had it.
It's the one that's the hardest, and it says add more liquid.
All right, so we do have these sesame seeds. We're gonna put them on there, but first I think we might have to do that first. Here we go. We're putting the last of the butter on. Ooh, we're gonna butter it up. So these will be very low in calories.
It's only 2 tablespoons of butter with the all bread.
Is it?
Yeah, less.
Mm. Wow, we're using that butter. Mm.
I don't know.
Now what do you do? Now you put the egg on? Now we do the egg batter. Oh, look at this. Wow. And we preheated the oven to
350.
350 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. If you did Celsius, that would really be hot. It would be way too hot. Oh, look at her. She's so quick.
So funny because I look like I know what I'm doing. I've never done this before.
What do you mean? You know what you're doing. You know that it just, you do it with confidence and nobody can tell the difference. They think you're an expert. Act as if. That's my slogan.
I was going to bake them just at dinner time, and I thought, oh, let me do it just in case.
You might want to do it beforehand, because then we can always use the baguettes that we've got.
Right.
But I think
These two will be fine. This one is the only one. That
I think they're all going to be fine.
I think I added too much flour.
This one here is the one I'm going to like the most, I think. All right, we just got to stick them in the oven, right? Or, oh, we got to put sesame seeds on them. Okay, here we go, sesame size. Now, if you were going to estimate how much it costs to make this bread by hand, is it cheaper or should you just buy it from Costco?
Well, it's really easy because I did it in a baggie.
Oh, wow.
So.
Bam, done.
All right, let me check my shit.
Now we got to put them in the oven. We got it on bake, 350 degrees. Do we have to hit start?
I did.
Okay, it's ready to go. All right, let's put them in, man. Oh, we're moving some things, I think. And why put them lower?
I'm putting them here. Here and here, so they have enough room to.
Oh, you putting it at the top?
No, not the very top.
Or the middle?
That's heavy. Grab that one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Got it. Oh, I got it. Oh my God, that is heavy.
Ow.
Ouch.
Bitch.
Damn it.
And I'll switch them around.
Wait, how long are we going to bake them for?
I think it's 40.
40 minutes. All right, what time is
Where's
it?
my phone?
It is 20 to 12. So we have to pull them out 20 minutes after 12. Not ready yet.
Just a bit so I can heat it up and put it back in.
Oh, so we have to cook it
I
more?
had a tiny taste.
We have to cook it more?
Yeah, so now I'm going to wrap it up in foil. I guess,
Or you could just stick it in like that.
where should I put it?